Good afternoon, this is Jacob McComb and I'm just doing a quick demonstration of the new Scorpion X. It's all fitted to an Audi A3. Just going to check to see if it's armed. It is armed. So this one immobilises the automatic gearbox. I'll switch it on. You can see it's switched on now. Start it up, and if I go to try and put it into gear, there's nothing there. If I put the combination in, it will flash the blue. There you go, it's flashed the full beam. So I've put the code in and now it will go into gear. And that's a demonstration of how it works when you switch the ignition off now. So I'll switch the ignition off and I open the driver's door. You will see that the full beam will flash. That's now active. The system is now active.